In October of 2010, Kyle Busch Motorsports opened the doors to its new 77,000 square foot facility. The new building includes a chassis, fab, and paint shop where KBM builds its fleet of Toyota Camrys and Tundras from the ground up. The KBM building is a cornerstone of green initiatives. The design of this facility is an unprecedented step in motorsports facilities, be it in NASCAR, Formula One, or IndyCar. Welcome inside! The storefront windows that enclose the front of the building are composed of low-E solar control glass, an insulated glass that reduces heat loss, solar gain, and energy costs while increasing thermal efficiency. The flooring seen here in the museum space and the retail area features porcelain tile made of 22.5% pre-consumer recycled content. As we move into the office areas, you'll notice the indirect LED light fixtures which reduce energy consumption and heat gain. Wall switch occupancy sensors located in every office automatically turn lights off when not in use. Modular carpet tiles made from 38% pre-consumer recycled content line the hallways and offices. This carpet is 100% recyclable and meets CRI Green Label Plus. The light fixtures in the race shop are full-spectrum HD high bay lighting, which, like our office lights, reduce energy consumption and heat gain. Wall switch occupancy sensors are used in this area as well. Skylights throughout the shop provide additional light and reduce the need for artificial lighting. And now, our shop foreman, Bon Suss, will take you through some of the other sustainable initiatives of KBM.
Alright, so here at KBM we have what we call our safety clean room. This is where the guys bring all the parts in to be cleaned up. Here we got the two red machines are the solvent tanks used for cleaning the parts. They'll bring the dirty parts in here. They'll hose them off, get the big stuff off. They'll throw these into the part solvent tanks. All the solvent tanks are recycling tanks where every night we turn the machines on and it cleans the oils and greases out of the solvent, so it's clean solvent the next day. And then the oils and greases are stored in a cabinet machine, and Safety Clean comes out every couple of weeks when they're full. It disposes of the oils and the greases, takes them back to properly dispose of. That way we don't have to put new fresh solvent in every day. We can run the same solvent for months at a time until it's too used up to still clean the parts good. We also take all our aerosol cans here, and when we're done using them, we've got a recycler for that. We put the can in, it punctures the can, lets all the CFCs out, the bad stuff for the environment, and then the can is empty just like a soda can. Throw it away there. The CFC material, the parts cleaner that's still left in the can, Safety Clean will come and get that and take that back to dispose of properly at their place also. We also have water-based tanks in here. This is really no different than your dishwasher at home. Takes a real light detergent. If the parts just need a little bit of cleaning, we can just start with that machine. If they're real dirty, we start with the red machine, clean them up first, and then come back to the water-based machines, the detergent ones, and finish cleaning them. And this also gives the part a real good feel to when you're done, that it doesn't have any sort of solvents on it or anything like that. So this area of the shop, when the cars come back or trucks come back, this is the first place they go. They're full of all the rubber and parts and pieces are dirty. So we have our oil dump here. The guys drain the oil. Oil goes in the oil dump here. Safety Clean will come and dump this for us. When it's full, it's got an indicator to let us know when to call them. Our rag buckets here for cleaning the parts and pieces. Real oily, dirty, they go in there. They get brought to the facility to be cleaned, so they can extract all the oils and greases out of them properly. And then all the solvents, when we have a little spill in the shop and we got to put some absorbent material down, we want to collect that back up and contain it properly so they can dispose of that stuff also. When we come back from the racetrack, we got all these used tires that we've gone through, all these pit stops, 10, 12 pit stops at a race. So we come back, we dismount our tires off our wheels, clean our wheels up. You wonder what we do up all these tires. Well, we actually take and send them to a recycler here in Charlotte, where they chop them up and they use them for everything from mulch to other rubber products and reuse them, to help the environment. They don't have to make that stuff out of new products. So we send all that stuff to a recycler in Charlotte and really do our part to help our footprint on the environment. So here at Kyle Busch Motorsports, we have a geothermal heating and cooling system. And what that does is we have hundreds of wells out in a well field that are getting water, pumping it through the system here at KBM to help reduce our carbon footprint on the heating and cooling side of things. We use a lot less forced air, natural gas, petroleum oils, anything that a lot of other companies would use. We can do a lot of our heating and cooling through the geothermal, through the water system here. So here's the thermostats and the pump controls, which just like a controllable thermostat, programmable thermostat in your house, you can set this when to run, when to cycle, faster, slower, hotter, colder, all that stuff. You can see all the piping, all the manifolds, thousands of gallons of water running through this system, reduces the amount of forced air that we have, helps our energy costs a bunch, also our carbon footprint's drastically reduced. Here at KBM we have a real good recycling program. All of our garbage inside is separated: glass, aluminum, paper, cardboard, steel, everything's sorted. So when we come out here, we got different dumpsters. You got your cardboard dumpster, your regular trash dumpster. We also have an aluminum dumpster, the steel dumpster,